Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TutoRealm, and in today's video I'm about to show you how you can add multiple pictures in just one post. What it means is that there's going to be one post or one picture and it might have multiple photos. So it's a very quick method, so we'll get right into it. First off, I'm going to open my Instagram, take a blank picture, okay, click on these three dots, no, click on stickers, okay, click on this plus, alright. So let me just this picture right here and another. Okay. And another. Hmm. Okay. And I'm gonna click on save. Then I'm gonna go to my Facebook and I'm gonna post this here. And it's done. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more such helpful and amazing content. Until then, gracias.